turn now to CBS News medical contributor Dr. David Agus in Los Angeles. Dr. Agus, you know, there's been a lot of discussion about booster shots. When might you see that happening for people, especially 65 and older?
So in Israel, they started doing them with people who are immune suppressed without a normal immune system. And I think we're going to see those booster shots here in the United States, I hope soon. In terms of people 65 and older, I would imagine the FDA approves those booster shots by the end of September. And that kind of time frame makes sense.
Dr. Agus, we also have been hearing the word breakthrough cases. How concerned should we be about those breakthrough cases in which people have been fully vaccinated, but yet they're still getting infected with COVID?
So right now, people exposed to Delta variant who have been fully vaccinated, most of them will have no symptoms. Some will have mild symptoms. Very few, if any, will have serious illness causing hospitalization. So that's good. The vaccines are clearly working in terms of blocking serious illness. And that's what we care about at the present time. The problem is half our country isn't yet vaccinated.
And when you talk about half of our country not being vaccinated, we also know there's this tale of mask or unmask, whether you're in certain states or businesses have different rules. What should people be doing right now at this moment, whether they're vaccinated or not?
And it really depends on where you live. So if the case numbers are going up, like they are in many places in the country, I do believe we're going to have to wear masks now whenever we go indoors or we're with people, because we can't validate or document who has been vaccinated versus not. And so you may be at risk of catching and spreading the virus in those situations.
And there's also a new model out that suggests we haven't seen the worst of this surge, the peak of this surge, and that won't happen until October. What's your prediction?
Well, I can tell you, every model to date has been inaccurate when trying to predict the future here. And so part of it is it assumes that behavior doesn't change. And I think behavior is and is starting to change across the country. More and more places are going back toward masks and changing behavior. And I do think that we will see the peak toward the end of August. And then at that point, when 50% of the country being vaccinated and many more haven't been exposed to the virus, we'll have immunity across the country and hopefully have decreasing numbers through September until or unless there's a new variant.
All right, Dr. David Agus, thank you.